In Lesson 6, we will shift our focus on building sentences with the personal pronoun of we, followed by its possessive determiner of our, and lastly its possessive pronoun of ours. Without saying too much, let's get on with this lesson. To say we in Baluchi, we say ma, ma, we, ma. Now let's do a couple of sentences with we in Baluchi. We are Baluch. We are Baluch. Ma Baluch in. Ma Baluchin. We are here. We are here. Ma eda in. Ma eda in. As you can remember from lesson 2, ant would normally translate to are in Baluchi. However, different rules applies when we are using are with the personal pronoun of you and we in a sentence. For example, when it comes to building sentences with we are in Baluchi, we would always say instead of ant. The possessive determiner of we is our. Saying our in Baluchi is very simple and easy to remember. To say our in Baluchi, we say may. May. Same spelling and pronunciation as the month of May in English. Our, may. Now let's do a couple of sentences with may in Baluchi. Baluchi is our language. Baluchi is our language. Baluchi मैं ज़ुबान इंट. Baluchi मैं ज़ुबान इंट. Baluch is our identity. Baluch is our identity. Baluch मैं पाजार इंट. Baluch मैं पाजार इंट. Lastly, let's get to know the Balochi version of ours. To say ours in Baluchi, we say meg, meg. Ours, meg. This car is ours. This car is ours. Ie machine meg int. Ie machine meg int. This sea is ours. This sea is ours. Ie zeer megint. Ie zeer megint. Let's recap on what we have learned in this lesson. We, ma. Our, may. Ours, meg. Language, zuban. Identity, pajar. Car, machine. See, زر. With all our learning in mind, let's begin our mini test for lesson 6. Please start by translating the following sentence. Our car is not here. Our car is not here. मैं ماشین ادا نه انت. मैं ماشین ادا نه انت. Well done if you've got it right. His language is our language. His language is our language. آیی زبان ما زبانند. آیی زبان ما زبانند. Now, how would you say the following in Baluchi? That is yours and this is ours. That is yours and this is ours. A teigend o ie megend. A teigend o ie megend. Let's do our final translation test. Translate this into Baluchi. Who are we and what is our language? Who are we and what is our language? Pause this video if you need to. ما که انت او ما زبان چیه انت. ما که انت او ما زبان چیه انت. I hope you've enjoyed this lesson and stay tuned for the next one.